Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, November 6th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now, or in the description box below. For more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or, as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. Global design company Ideo, which is headquartered in San Francisco but has offices across Europe and Asia, will be eliminating 32% of its 500-person headcount this year, or around 165 personnel total. Ideo will be laying off employees across all levels and locations of the company in a complete reduction of force. Additionally, Ideo will be closing some of its offices to save further costs on infrastructure. The impacted employees will receive severance commensurate with their experience. Even though the UAW strike ended a couple weeks ago, Ford is temporarily laying off 1,600 workers at their Louisville Assembly Plant through the end of November. Ford is stating the layoffs are because of parts-related issues. The deal between the UAW and Ford, as well as Stellantis and GM, are tentative, with the deals needing to be voted on by the member body of the UAW. This temporary layoff, however justified, might cause some pushback in the voting process. Finally, Chernin Entertainment, a film and TV production company, is undergoing a major round of layoffs. In particular, a number of executives are being let go, including the EVP of Film and Television, SVP of Film and Television, and multiple creative executives. There's no statement yet regarding the layoffs, but it seems to be due to straightforward cost cutting. There also isn't any reporting thus far on how widespread the layoffs are or what potential severance might be.